that 1 calorie is equal to how many joules? 1 calorie is equal to 4.2 joules approximately. Kilocalories means 1 kilocalorie is equal to 4200. Kilo means 1000. 1000 into 4.2, 4200 joules. Now 1 joule is equal to how many calories? 1 joule. Take 4200 towards right side, towards left side, that means 1 kilocalorie by 4200. This is a simple conversion here. Now 1 joule is converted into 1 by 4200 kilocalories. Now here joule, that means the internal energy is converted into kilocalories. So formula is dW is equal to dq value 20 kilocalories minus du value 8400 joules. 1 joule equal to how many kilocalories? 1 by 4200 kilocalories. So how many times cancel? This is the 2 times. 20 kilocalories minus 2 kilocalories. Now answer is in 18 kilocalories. For example, this is in joules means 1 kilocalorie equal to how many joules? 4200. Now multiplying with 4200, you can get work done in joules. Now this is a positive means here work done by the system. Okay, this is the model problem based on first law of thermodynamics. Okay, so model of problem description on. Okay, now first law of thermodynamics topic completed. So this is the specific heat of a gas at constant volume, molar specific heat of a gas at constant volume. Now in terms of Cp, what is the relation between capital Cp and small c? Okay, specific heat of a gas at constant volume, at constant pressure. What is the formula here? At constant pressure, specific heat of a gas at constant pressure, dQp is equal to mCp small cp into dt. So Cp is equal to dQ suffix p means at constant of pressure by m into dt. So molar specific heat, capital Cp is equal to dQ at constant pressure by mCp and dt. Okay, students, dQ at constant pressure by n into dt. Now, what is the relation between capital Cp and small cp? Similarly, capital Cp is equal to capital M into small cp. So this is the relation between Cp and Cp. Here, capital Cp denotes the molar specific heat of a gas at constant volume. Small cp denotes the just specific heat of a gas. So specific heat of a gas formalized in terms of mass. Cp, capital Cp means in terms of moles. That is the difference. Now, what is the relation between capital Cp and small cp? Relation between capital Cp and small cp. Okay, students, model observe చేయాలంటే సరిపోతుంది. ఆల్రెడీ మీ బుక్ లో ఉన్నాయి. జస్ట్ వాళ్ళు మీ ఎగ్జామ్ లో ఇదే బిట్ యాజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ రావాలండి. న్యూమరికల్స్ చేంజ్ అవుతాయి. ఈవెన్ దో మీరు సాల్వ్ చేసే విధంగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వాలి. Okay, now what is the relation between molar specific heat, capital Cp and small cp? Relation between Cp and Cp. These are called molar specific gas constants. We know that capital Cp minus small cp is equal to capital R. Okay, students? Capital R means here universal gas constant. Capital R means universal gas constant. Gas constant. What is the value of universal gas constant here? Capital R value 8.314 joule mole inverse Kelvin inverse. So this is called in SI system. In SI, International Standard International System. So in CGS system, CGS means R value is approximately, not exactly, 1.98 something exactly. So approximately 2 calories mole inverse degree centigrade inverse. Okay, students, R value in CGS system, 2 calories mole inverse degree centigrade inverse. So either in CGS or in SI, number of moles same unit, but the temperature in CGS calories heat, joules in SI. Temperature in CGS system degree centigrade and SI system kelvins. Okay, so what is the relation between capital C and capital CP and small capital CB? CP minus CB equal to R. So what is the relation between capital CP and small cb in terms of small r? Okay, now this can be converted into CP. Capital CP means what is the formula here? Capital M into small cp minus here also capital M into small cb is equal to what is the formula here? R. Okay, students, here capital M common, CP minus CB into capital M is equal to capital R. So CP minus CB is equal to R by capital M. Okay, R by capital M is equal to small r. మీకు ఆప్షన్స్ ప్రీవియస్ లాస్ట్ టైం ఎగ్జామ్ లో వచ్చింది క్యాపిటల్ సి మైనస్ క్యాపిటల్ సి ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్ ఇది ఒక ఈక్వేషన్ ఇచ్చాడు స్మాల్ సిపి మైనస్ స్మాల్ సిపి ఈక్వల్ టు ఆర్ ఇచ్చాడు సిపి బై సివి ఈక్వల్ టు గామా ఇచ్చాడు ఆల్ దే అబౌవ్ which is the correct. This one is correct. Cp minus Cv equals small r also correct. Ratio of specific heat is equal to gamma also correct. So option is all there. Okay, students. ఎందుకంటే మీరు Cp minus Cv అనగానే always capital R కావాలి. Depending upon that is a molar specific heat or general specific heat. Okay. So what is the difference between small r and capital R? What is the difference between small r and capital R? Capital R denotes the universal gas constant for any gas. Its value is same. That's why universal gas constant. Here small r is specific gas constant. Specific gas constant. Specific gas constant. It changes from gas to gas. Nitrogen has a because now, gas value changes, that means the molecular weight changes, R value changes. So O2 32, N2 28, helium 4. So depends on nature of gas. But capital R is independent on nature of gas. So specific gas constant, its value changes. Its value changes from gas to gas. From gas to gas. Okay, students, this is the relation between capital C and capital CP, small cv and small cv. Okay, now capital CP in terms of universal gas constant and in terms of gamma. So what is the gamma value? చాలా ఇంపార్టెంట్ అండి. మనం ఈ గామా టర్మ్ KTG లో డిస్కస్ చేసాం, థర్మోడైనమిక్స్ లో డిస్కస్ చేస్తాం. గామా వాల్యూ సో ఈజ్ different for different gases, that is a monatomic, diatomic, tri or polyatomic gas. What is the gamma? Gamma means the ratio of molar specific heats of a gas, Cp by Cv. ఏమా ఇవన్నీ రిమైండ్ minus CV is equal to 1. Okay, students, here CV common from this equation. What happens? Minus 1 is equal to R. So now CV is equal to R by gamma minus 1. Okay, students, important. CV is equal to R by gamma minus 1. Very, very important. CV means a constant volume. So at constant volume, total heat energy utilized to increase the internal energy only, because volume constant is very important point. Volume constant is change in volume. How much? 0. So work done, we know that work done by the gas, work done is equal to PdV. So dV 0, then work done is 0. So V constant to dV 0 along. So dq equal to du is equal to LCV dt. This is one of the formula. Okay, students. Now this is the CV value. What about the CP? What about the CP value here? My this has now already completed topic. Okay, Cp minus Cv equal to R. Here Cv is equal to R by gamma minus 1. What about the Cp from that relation? Cp is equal to R plus Cv. R plus Cv, that is equal to R plus Cv means R by gamma minus 1. Here R value common after LCM. R into gamma by gamma minus 1. This is the Cp value. Okay, students. Cp is equal to R into gamma by gamma minus 1. Cv value R by gamma minus 1. So this is relation between Cp and Cv. Now already you know that gamma for monoatomic, diatomic and triatomic gas. Once again, form a table for different gases. So monoatomic, nature of gas here, nature of gas. Nature of gas. Cp value, Cv value, gamma value. Gamma means directly Cp by Cv. Okay, nature of gas, monoatomic gas. Monoatomic. మనం ఆల్రెడీ KTG లో ఒకసారి చూసాం degrees of freedom. How many degrees of freedom for monoatomic gas? 3. Diatomic gas 5. Tri or polyatomic gas 6. So here Cp means what is the value of for Cp in terms of degrees of freedom. So anyhow Cp means 5/2R. So here internal energy is equal to Cv is equal to in terms of degrees of freedom. Okay, students, Cv is equal to F/2 into R, where F is equal to degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom. Degrees of freedom means what? Degrees of freedom is the number of independent ways or modes in which the gas molecules are processed or moving or arranges. Simply, degrees of freedom means each degree of freedom equal to one kinetic energy. Suppose molecule is moving x-axis, y-axis, and z-axis, having 3 translational kinetics, so 3 degrees of freedom. So each degree of freedom related to one kinetic energy. Anyhow, where F is equal to degrees of freedom. This is Cp in terms of degrees of freedom. What about Cv? Cv is equal to F/2R. Cp equal from this relation. Cp minus Cv equal to R. So that here R common. So 2 plus F/2. This is the Cp. Now gamma means Cp by Cv. So for degrees of freedom for monoatomic gas, F equal to 3. 3 means what is the Cv value here? 3/2R. Cp value, F means 3. 3 plus 2, 5. 5/2R. Gamma value ratio, 5/3. Okay, students? 5/3 value, 1.66 nearly. Next, diatomic gas. Diatomic gas. Degrees of freedom, 7/5R. This is a 5/2R. Sorry, 7/2R, 5/2R. Five. So substituting here 5/2R. Now that is the Cp. What about the Cp? 2 plus 5, 7. 7/2R. So that's 7/2R. That equals 7/5. So its value is equal. Very very important. This table. So 7/5 value equal to 1.4. Now triatomic gas, tri or polyatomic gas. Triatomic degrees of freedom is 6. Substituting here 6/2, 3R. So Cv value 3R, Cp value 4R. So totally 4/3 is equal to 1.33. So these are the values for monoatomic, diatomic, and triatomic gas. Very very important. Both kinetic energy, kinetic theory of gases, and okay, students. Next one. Different types of thermodynamic processes. Before going to that, mixture of gases. Mixture of gases. Mixture of gases. Suppose N1 moles of gas is mixed with N2 moles of non-reacting gas together, having molar specific heat of gases C1, Cv1, Cv2, and molar specific heat of the gas at constant pressure Cp1, Cp2. Then what is the mixture of Cv mixture, Cp mixture, gamma mixture? Already మనం నిన్నే డిస్కస్ చేసాం. డైరెక్ట్ గా రాసేస్తాం ఫార్ములా. Mixture of gases. Mixture of gases means now Cv mixture is equal to formula. Simple. N1 CV1 plus N2 CV2 by total number of moles N1 plus N2. This is the CV mixture for two gases. For three gases means one more quantity here, and CP mixture is equal to R plus CV mixture. Okay, gamma mixture is equal to gamma mixture formula important. N1 plus N2 by gamma mixture minus 1 is equal to N1 by gamma minus 1 plus N2 by gamma 2 minus 1. So this is the gamma mixture. So now molecular weight of mixture of gas, molecular weight, capital M mixture. So that means N1 plus N2, N2 by total number of moles N1 plus N2. Where capital M is the molecular weight of gas. Okay, students, this is a mixture of gas. Okay. Now, example problem based on this one. Please write down 1 mole of monoatomic gas, 1 mole of monoatomic gas, 1 mole of monoatomic gas is mixed with 1 mole of monoatomic gas is mixed with 1 mole of diatomic gas, 1 mole of diatomic gas. Both the gases are 1 mole and different gases. The value of gamma is right. ఇది నేను చెప్పను ఒక 2 minutes టైం ఇస్తాను ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాలి మీరు హ్యాండ్ రైజ్ చేసి ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాల్సి ఉంటుంది నాకు జస్ట్ 2 minutes టైం ప్లీజ్ ట్రై ఇండైరెక్ట్ గా ఫార్ములా మీకు సైడే ఉంది గుణశేఖర్ ఏంటమ్మా
సార్ సిపి మిక్చర్ ఒకసారి చెప్పరా
CP mixture formula what is the relation between capital CP and small cp minus cv equal to R, okay CP is equal to what is the formula R plus cv now volume mixture is cv mixture this is the cp mixture R plus cv mixture Anybody? Purnima, Pandi, Emma, you just Kesara, Kirti, monoatomic means gamma value. What is the value here? 5/3. And gamma 2, second gas, mixed with one mole of here, one mole of diatomic gas. Diatomic gas means 7/5. Okay, 7/5. Moles in first gas N1 equal to 1 mole and the second gas N2 is equal to 1 mole. Gamma 1, gamma 2. Find the gamma value is gamma mixture. So this is the formula here. Okay, students, N1 plus N2. N1 plus N2 by gamma mixture minus 1 is equal to N1 by gamma 1 minus 1 plus N2 by gamma 2 minus 1. ఇదన్నా యూజ్ చేయాలి మీరు క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ అన్నా రౌండ్ చేసుకున్నాం. Now substituting here N1 plus N2, 1 plus 1, 2 by gamma is gamma mixture minus 1 is equal to here N1, 1 by gamma 1, 5/3 minus 1 is equal to plus N2 number minus 1 is equal to LCM here 5 minus 3, 2/3, taking 3 value into numerator, so that 3/2 plus here LCM 7 minus 5, 2/5, again same here 5/2 after LCM. So 2 by gamma minus 1 is equal to LCM 2, 3 plus 5, 8. How many times? This is the 4 times. That is equal to 1 by gamma minus 1 is equal to 2. That implies 1 by 2 is equal to gamma minus 1. This stuff is clear. 1 by gamma minus 1 equal to 2. Take 2 towards the denominator of our left side. So finally 1 by 2 means what is the value for 1 by 2? 0.5. That is equal to 1 by 2 is 0.5 is equal to gamma minus 1. Now gamma is equal to 0.1 plus 1 equal to 1.5. 1.5 means what is the value? 3/2. Okay, simple sum. One more problem, please guess it. For a hydrogen gas, Cp minus Cv is equal to given as for oxygen gas, that means O2 gas, Cp minus Cv is equal to given as mind it, where Cp and Cv are the molar specific heats. Remember it, where capital Cp, molar means capital, Cp and Cv denotes molar specific heats. Molar specific heats. Molar specific heats. Then the relation between A and B here given N is equal to B. Find the value of anybody. Once again, I repeat, for hydrogen gas Cp minus Cv equal to A. For oxygen gas Cp minus Cv equal to B. Where Cp and Cv denotes the molar specific heats. Now the relation given between A and B is A is equal to NB. What is the value of that? 1 minute. Simple one. మీకు ఆన్సర్ దీనిలోనే ఉంది. CPCV denotes solar specific heats. రివైజ్ చేస్తాం. So here n equal to 1. Why? Because Cp minus Cv equal to formula Cp minus molar means capital Cp. Okay, Cp minus Cv equal to R. Here R means universal gas constant. So for any gas R is constant. Here Cp minus Cv is equal to given A. Cp minus Cv given B. This is O2. This is H2 hydrogen. For any gas, its value equal to constant. That means what about here? A is equal to B. When it is possible, A is equal to B, here n is equal to 1. But given actually A is equal to NB, then it put n is equal to 1 means A is equal to B. That is equal to so now answer is here n is equal to 1. Okay. Finally, what is the relation in adiabatic process? Very important. What are the relations adiabatic process? So now 4 types of processes are there: adiabatic, isothermal, isobaric, isochloric. Major these are the processes. And adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Adiabatic process. Shankar?
Yes, sir.
So what is the relation between pressure and volume, relation between temperature and volume, relation between temperature in adiabatic process?
Sir, in adiabatic process,
Relation
pressure is
between pressure and volume. What is the relation?
PV power gamma equal to constant.
Very good. So P
V gamma constant.
P what's again? V power
P
gamma.
PV
V power gamma is equal to
constant.
So that P1 V1 power gamma is equal to
P2 V2 power gamma.
Okay. Next. So what is the relation between Kirti what is the relation between pressure and temperature? Pressure and temperature.
T power gamma
T power.
in T power gamma into T power 1 minus gamma is equal to K constant.
Constant. Very good. So in terms of only power gamma T only, what about the relation? T into
సార్ అర్థం కాలేదు.
సో ఇక్కడ T కి P రిలేషన్ ఉంది కదా, ఓన్లీ P పవర్ ఉండాలి, T ఉండకూడదు. సో T into P power 1 minus gamma by gamma equal to constant. Both side whole power 1 by gamma డివైడ్ చేస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే మనకి టెంపరేచర్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయమన్నప్పుడు పవర్ గామా ఉండకూడదు. ఓకే, లాస్ట్. వెరీ గుడ్. నెక్స్ట్. Okay, last relation between temperature and volume. T V power gamma minus 1 equal to constant. We develop one problems of same. Okay, thank you, students.